Hello, good evening MMM community. Ako nga pala si Paul, isang foreman guider from Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung Get Help ko last December 7, 2015 in the amount of 14,700 pesos. So 14,700 pesos galing yan dun sa aking mga referral bonuses, leader bonus, and sa aking mga past video testimonial. Salamat kay Arcangel for providing me 14,700 pesos. Thank you MMM community for this assistance, and thank you to our founder Sir Sergio Mabrodi for sharing us this system in the Philippines. Thank you to all the active members and participants of MMM community. Let us continue the spirit of giving, and together we can change the world.